Welcome to day 2 of our 21-day meditation journey. Today we explore Pratyahara, the fifth limb of yoga, often translated as the withdrawal of the senses. In our everyday lives, our energy is constantly drawn outward to screens, sounds, conversations, and stimulation. Pratyahara invites us to do the opposite, to turn our awareness inward, returning to the quiet intelligence of the body. This practice helps us feel grounded, centered, and deeply connected to ourselves. Find a comfortable position, soften your eyes, and allow your breath to settle. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Feel your body supported beneath you, noticing all the contact points with the ground or chair. As you breathe naturally, allow yourself to notice any areas that feel tense or heavy. There's nothing to fix. Just notice. Now gently bring your attention to the sounds around you. Don't push them away, simply become aware of them. It could be the music from the video, the sounds of the birds, or a car driving past. Then let them move into the background. Shift your focus to your sense of touch, the air on your skin, the fabric against your body, the body parts that make contact with the ground. And then allow that awareness to soften as you turn further inward. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Feel your heartbeat steady, rhythmic, and constant. Your senses begin to quiet. Your inner world starts to expand. Imagine drawing your energy inward, like the tide pulling back to the ocean, returning to its source. All the energy that leaks out, bring it back in. And allow yourself to be whole. As you rest in the stillness, notice how peaceful it feels to be inside your own body. You are safe here. You are home here. Take a slow inhale and a gentle exhale. Let your awareness expand again, noticing the room, the air, the subtle sounds. Gently blinking the eyes open, invite you to carry this sense of inner connection with you as you move throughout your day. You've just completed day 2, Pratyahara, returning to the body. Remember, Pratyahara isn't about shutting the world out. It's about learning to turn inward even when the world is loud. Take moments to pause, breathe, and reconnect to your body. If you enjoyed today's meditation, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 3,